Welcome to Analog Technologies. We have been serving you since 1997.
ATI-S laser drivers, designed with robust protection, EMI shielding, and RoHS compliance, ensuring durability and stability in demanding environments. Why choose Analog Technologies laser drivers? We offer high-performance drivers with wide current ranges, ultra-low noise, and greater than 90% efficiency, often eliminating heat sinks. Laser drivers' key specifications: current range, 100 mA to 200 A. High voltage capability, up to 22 V output. Ultra-low noise, as low as 1.5 μ APP. High efficiency, up to greater than 90%. Advanced features: intelligent control with self-learning algorithms. Precision voltage references. Multiple modulation modes. Comprehensive protection circuits. Introduction to laser drivers. AT-LSXA103 series. AT-LSXA104 series. AT-LSXA106 series. AT-LSXA116 series. AT-LSXA117 series. AT-LSXA118 series. AQCLXA410. CWD01V2D. AT-LSXA201 series. AT-LSXA202 series. AT-LSXA212 series. AT-LSXA214 series. AT-LSXA216 series. AT-LSXA217 series. AT-LSXA118 series. AT-LS25A219. LDA1, CP1. Can you support specialized applications? Telecom, medical, industrial, research.